Hi everyone, it's Chris here at Purely Outdoors in our brand new awning studio in Nuneaton, Warwickshire. Today we're going to be reviewing the Vango Balletto awning. So this is the 330 model that we've got here in their Elements ProShield fabric. So the Elements ProShield fabric is their sort of top of class fabric from Vango. So really good waterproofed, durable fabric. Is also worth noting, you can get the Elements Shield fabric, which is slightly thinner, slightly more lightweight as well. So if you are conscious of pack weight and size, that might be a good option as well. The actual awning, so it comes in the 260, the 330 or the 390, all have 2.5 meters of depth. So again, can be a really nice spacious porch awning for your caravan. Is worth noting on the Vango Caravan awnings, they do go from a height from 235 to 250. So if you have got a taller caravan, might just be worth being aware of that. We'll talk through some of the other exterior features now. So we've got the SI Pro inflation system. So you've got your single point inflation in the center beam, and then you've got 3 deflation valves on each of the 3 beams as well. So really nice and quick and easy to get this one inflated. In terms of then your panels on the front, so we've zipped both out here. They can be your full diamond clear, full height windows as well with the integrated zip up curtains. So again, lovely options there on the front. As we move our way inside, it's definitely worth noting the great thing with the Vango Caravan awnings is you get everything included in the box. So you've got your 2 sets of wheel arch covers, you've also got a draft skirt, and you've also got this fully sewn in roof liner as well at the back, which you can retract at any point as and when you want to use it, just to help with that condensation build up. Another key point as well, again, you've got your storm strap points as well. So all the storm strapping kits come included with the awning, unlike some other manufacturers where they have to be bought separately. So another good key point to note there. As we go inside, again, you can get full breathable carpets made to measure with each of the size Ballettos, just to make it feel extra homely inside. And as well, if you need further storage or sleeping space, you can simply zip in the tall Annexe on the Ballettos as well. So a really nice option, again, in the same fabric, either in the Elements Shield or the Elements ProShield. So I think in conclusion, what I'd say is that the Vango awning, fantastic versatile porch awning, really good quality fabric, and the SI system has been really reliable this year, and we definitely recommend this awning going into 2023. So thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions about the Balletto, or if you'd like to see any further Vango Caravan awning reviews, please drop us a comment below. But thanks for watching.